If you want to make money with DoorDash and you have a low acceptance rate, I'm about to show you the cheat code to make that money and not have to go anywhere. So before we get into this video though, do me a favor. Hit that like button and that subscribe button because DoorDash ain't paying me, but YouTube is. Check this out. Look at this order right here. $8.25, 11.5 miles. Now, if you notice, it's going into a different zone. And DoorDash is doing some new stuff. They highlighting it, letting you know if it's busy, letting you know if it's peak pay, trying to incentivize you to go into that new zone. Check this out. It's not happening. This is $8.25. And DoorDash got a $1 boost in my zone, meaning you get an extra $1 added on to every delivery. So really, this is $7.25 for 11 miles. Now, they got peak pay over there, but ain't no peak pay over here. So this is an order you should never be taking unless you're going in that direction. But even if you is going in that direction, if they ain't trying to give you $12 up front, I still wouldn't take it. That's just me. So I said, you know what? It's orders out here. Let me see what come in next. And I know a lot of y'all gonna be mad at me for this next one because I declined it. Didn't even take it. But I know you probably would have. $6.50, 2.4 miles at McDonald's. And I know a lot of y'all saying, well, hey, trader, that's $6.50, 2 miles. Why didn't you take it? Well, you need to listen. Listen. It's a $1 boost in my area. This order is $5.50 for 2.4 miles. Not a bad offer. But I'm not doing it. Why? Because I got a Chick-fil-A in my market. We at Chick-fil-A right now. Chick-fil-A customers always tip better than DoorDash customers. Talking about Chick-fil-A customers tip better than McDonald's customers. Now, if I was out working, situationally, more than likely, I would have took this order. But I didn't take it this time. Because look what they sent me next. $7.50 for 6 miles. Really $6.50 after you take out the $1 boost. After getting this, I'm like, damn, I should have took that McDonald's order because now they offering me nothing but trash. But you know what? Sometimes you got to hold fast. You got to hold fast because as soon as I declined that one, I got this one right here. $6.50, 1 mile at Chick-fil-A. And I know some of y'all may say, well, hey, that other order was $6.50. Going 2 miles, why didn't you take that? I'm going to tell you why. McDonald's is a great place to pick up from. You can make a lot of money with them. But I make more money with Chick-fil-A in my zone than I do with McDonald's. They have a better track record, great customer service, and if I had to pick up 10 orders from Chick-fil-A or McDonald's paying the same amount, I'm going to do Chick-fil-A every single time. So we got that order done, $6.50, 1 mile, whatever, nothing to write home about. Then we got this, $6, 4 miles. I said, damn. I thought we was heading in the right direction. But you know what? We ain't. Because now they sending me these dumb orders. And I should have took it. So I declined that one. But then I said, you know what? The next order, I'm going to take. No matter what. I said that. And as soon as I said it, I said, what am I thinking? I ain't never doing that. Why would I even say that knowing that I'm not going to do it? Well, the next order they sent me was this right here. $4.75 for 2 miles. That's a $3 order. That's $3.75 for 2 miles. So we got a $1 boost. I'm so happy, man. Look, never say never, because if I would have told myself I'm taking the next order no matter what, I would have took this. But take orders that make sense for you. If $6.50 for 2 miles at McDonald's makes sense for you, take it. You know, if $6.50 for 1 mile at Chick-fil-A work for you, take it. If $4.75 for 2 miles work for you, by all means, take it. By all means, because you know what? That ain't gonna work for me. That ain't gonna work for me at all. Then they sent me this right here. I kind of got happy because I seen $10. But then when I seen the mileage, I said, you know what? It's not so good. It's not so good. $10, 25 cents, 5.8 miles. Subtract that $1 boost pay, that's $9.25. I don't take $9.25 for 5.8 miles. When I do DoorDash, I'm trying my best to stay within a 3-mile radius. Pick up the order, drop it off, be right back in vicinity to get another order. Driving 5.8 miles away, you ain't in that vicinity no more. Now I know some people would take that. I'm not gonna give you a hard time if you do, but you definitely don't take no $3 order. Like this one right here, $4.50, 3.5 miles. This is $3.50 without that dollar boost. Now, DoorDash is doing some new stuff. They trying to incentivize you to go somewhere where it's busier. They'll let you know if it's peak pay over there. You ain't got time for that. All you got to do is go to Chick-fil-A, post up, and wait for good orders. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do, I promise you. Check this out. This is what we on right here. $8.75, 3 miles. That's the order I just got right now. I'm about to slide up in there and grab that. This order, if you take away the dollar boost, is $7.75 for 3 miles. These are the orders you want to take. Orders that you would take regardless of a peak pay, regardless of a boost. Because them the orders where the customer gonna take care of you right there. We got that order and it ended up going up to $9. $9. So not only did I get a good tip from the customer, DoorDash still hid some of it. Listen, it is what it is. I'm not tripping off of it. All I'm saying is, if you want to make money, post up at Chick-fil-A. Because no matter if they got a boost pay, a peak pay, a exit zone pay, you know what I'm saying? Look at this, $8, 3 miles at Chick-fil-A. I'm about to run up in there right now. And that's with the dollar boost. If without the dollar boost, it'd have been $7 for 3 miles. Either way it go, if you go to Chick-fil-A and you got a low acceptance rate, you got a good chance of getting a good customer. So for all my smart dashers out there who don't care nothing about no acceptance rate, who don't care about no platinum dasher, who not trying to jump through hoops, go to your local Chick-fil-A,